Welcome to this video series from the International Production Course, a collaborative research initiative bringing together PhD students from across Sweden. We come from diverse focus areas within production engineering, including industrial AI, digitalization, maintenance, sustainability, product and process development, and more. As part of this course, we're visiting production companies across Europe to explore how innovation, operations, and research intersect in real industrial environments. Through company visits, expert presentations, and group discussions, we're examining production challenges and opportunities from multiple perspectives. This video is the first part of the series, and it takes us to Denmark, where we visited 3 leading companies, each operating in a very different sector: pharmaceuticals, food, and consumer goods.
We are at Novo Nordisk headquarters today. We are going to Arla Innovation Center tomorrow, and we have last day in Lego.
In all of these companies, we will have presentations, we look at some production sites, and we'll have discussion with the engineers, managers, and try to see how they are working around sustainability, circular transition, and digitalization.
Our first stop was Novo Nordisk, a global leader in diabetes care and pharmaceutical manufacturing. We explored how highly controlled, large-scale production systems are designed and operated, with a focus on both quality and environmental sustainability.
We just had a great presentation about the company, and we are expecting some nice presentations throughout the day. We will also get a chance to visit the factory in the afternoon, so looking forward to that.
One particularly valuable takeaway was their structured approach to maintenance and data collection, prioritizing standardization and expert knowledge capture before moving into advanced digital tools.
We've heard a lot about the production system that they have in place. We heard about the environment part of it and the maintenance as well. I do see a lot of possibilities for us PhD students to work together to research, and it has been a really insightful visit. They are teaching a lot of their process to us. They are really open to that. I'm really glad that we're here today.
We then visited the Arla Innovation Center, where new dairy products and technologies are developed.
It's been an awesome experience to see how Arla is innovating in the food science technology, and just to see the facilities, very impressive.
Discussions ranged from sustainable food production and digitalization to future trends like 3D printing.
I just presented my research topic, and this is the title, Towards Adoption of 3D Printing Technologies. And I got really interesting discussion and questions afterward.
A key theme was the value of simple, structured data strategies. Rather than starting with complex models, Arla emphasized understanding the process context and building meaningful data sets as the foundation for smart decision-making.
It's nice to be at a different type of company. At least at Chalmers we collaborate a lot with manufacturing industry and not so much with perhaps the dairy industry. So it was nice to see a different type of context and how they work with product development. So that was really cool.
I think they had seemed to be a very nice environment to work in. Both like cutting edge and very comfortable.
Yeah.
Finally, we visited the Lego group in Billund, where we toured the injection molding production and learned how automation, digital systems, and decades-long product compatibility come together. Lego's commitment to quality and consistency was clear, as was their investment in sustainable materials and thoughtful digital transformation. Even in a consumer-oriented setting, the same engineering principles apply: precision, data, and long-term thinking. Despite working in different industries, all 3 companies highlighted shared principles, like the importance of context in data collection, the effectiveness of simple models, and the role of structured, scalable processes. This trip helped us broaden our understanding of production across sectors. With many of us also having experience in automotive manufacturing, this provided a valuable opportunity to compare strategies and challenges from multiple perspectives. Thanks to the teams at Novo Nordisk, Arla, and Lego for welcoming us and sharing their knowledge. In just a few weeks, we'll continue this journey through Europe, More companies, more insights, and more stories from the intersection of research and real-world production.